Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is Shilpa and this is my channel Bong Beauty Vlog. So guys, आज मैं आप सब लोग के साथ एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक पूरा का पूरा लिपस्टिक रेंज के बारे में, जो कि है ये बेरॉम्ट का। एंड ये पूरा का पूरा मैट कलेक्शन मेरे पास है। एंड ये गाइस बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रिव्यू होने वाली है। एंड शेड्स आप देख ही सकते हैं, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता है। सो यस गाइस, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। First, let's see the swatches of these 10 shades and then I will share my review with you all.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain just like the sunrise. We gonna let it rain now.
As you guys can already have seen the swatches, so now let's talk about the review and everything. So yes guys, these are full matte. As you can see on my lips, I am currently wearing the shade number LG05, which is Persian Plum, and I love this shade. This shade is so gorgeous, and the shades are so flattering, and these shades are suitable for all skin tones guys. Yes guys, all skin tones. And in Indian skin tone, I think these shades look bomb. So let's talk about the packaging. As you guys can see, the packaging is so classy, so beautiful. And you know the price? The price is only 99. Oh my god. And these are exclusively available in Amazon. I will mention the link on my description box, so if you guys are interested, you can check it out. So it's a super pigmented, super affordable. These are transparent. Even if you drink a cup of coffee or a glass of water, this will not stain in there too. So yes guys, this is absolutely amazing. I have tried this lipstick so long and I absolutely love them. Also, as I already have said, the colors are so vibrant, so beautiful, and these colors are so beautiful. I mean, each and every shade of 01 to 10, these are so beautiful and so pigmented. And as you guys can see, this is the packaging, and the applicator is really beautiful, and it is perfect for just one coat application. You don't need to rub it again and again to get a beautiful pigmentation. It is so pigmented that you just need a one coat application. These are also glides easily on your lips, and these transfers into matte within just 1 to 2 seconds. You just don't need to wait for hours and hours long. And these are so comfortable on your lips, and this doesn't dry your lips at all. If you guys ask me about my favorite shades, I will suggest you 4 shades from this range. The shades are 01, 03, 05 and 07. These are the shades my favorite, and the shade names are quite interesting guys. Shade number LG01, which is Fuzzy Wuzzy, and it is so interesting guys. This shade is just perfect nude for every skin tone, because it's just a brownish nude, and it looks flattering in every skin tone. So the shade number 03 is French beige, and it is also beautiful nude shade. And shade number 05, which I am currently wearing right now, and the shade is Persian Plum, and I love this shade. It's a beautiful plum shade. And shade number 07, which is Ruby Red. This shade is also beautiful, and this shade is also one of my favorites. So guys, these 4 are my favorite. You can also choose their variety range from their products. So as I already have said, these are exclusively available on Amazon. You can choose your favorite shade from there. These are also available in combos and singles. So yes, these are so affordable and so amazing, guys. And these are perfectly for college going girls, and if you are searching for something so affordable and which is just perfect for daily wear, you can definitely go for it. So guys, that is all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And yes, that is all for today. Please don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. And yes, that is all for today. Stay home, stay safe, and stay beautiful. Bye bye.